For a long time, the price of a certain console remained the same. Because of new tariffs, the price of this console increased by 50%. So let's let X be the original price. And then the new price will equal the old price plus a 50% markup, and that gives you a 1.5x. So the new price is 1.5x, or I could call it 3/2 x. Doesn't matter, I prefer fractions. And then she purchased it at 1/2 off. Purchased at 1/2 off. And the way you represent, do you take this price here, and she's going to pay half of it. And so that is 3/4 x. And then the problem says she paid $240. So 3/4 x equals 240. Let's multiply both sides by 4. And that gives me 3x equals 0.69. Divide both sides by 3, and that gives me 320. That's x, and we set x up to be the original price. That's your number.